else ever had any arty ideas about triangles? Let's find out.
Many, many years ago, when artists painted their pictures, they looked very flat. Then, about 500 years ago, someone discovered a way of making the pictures look less flat. This is called perspective.
That's it! All done! It jumps off the page.
All of a sudden, artists discovered that their paintings could be made to look more real by making sure that any lines in their pictures all finished up at a single spot. This spot is called the vanishing point, and if you look at the shapes made by the lines that head towards the vanishing point, you can see lots and lots of triangles.
Who would have thought that there are secret triangles hidden in so many famous paintings? Wow, it's so realistic. I could almost be there. Wait a minute. I can be. Woo! Ah, I'm here! Hello, Mother! It's amazing what you can do with triangles.